Hi guys. So I've been working on this diamond painting since last night, right? I'm about to give in the towel with these diamond paintings. I don't know if it's because the pins are cheap or it's not working, but look, I'm going to show you. Now I'm sticking it on the little wax. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See, it's stuck. It's stuck on the wax. I haul it off. I keep my little beads in this little box and watch what happens. I can't pick it up. It won't pick up, look. It will not pick up. It will not pick it up. That's why I'm so frustrated. It won't pick up. Look at guys. Why isn't it picking up? It's because they're cheap at the dollar store, $4. I don't know if that's it because I got a lot done. I got a lot done on this one. This just started happening last night. The bead won't pick up. The pen is not picking up on my bead, guys. And I love doing it, look. I keep trying, look. It won't pick up. It won't pick up. What's going on? What is it? I even tried a new pin from a new diamond painting, right? Just to see if it would work better. It's still not working. It's not working. It's like from a brand new diamond painting kit. I took that pin just to see if it would work. It doesn't. We'll try it again. I'll try it again. This is so frustrating. I might have to give them up. I'm going to try and pick up again. See, you can see I'm trying to pick up one, right? It's not picking it up. It's not picking up. I don't know, guys. Tell me, what should I do? What should I do, guys? Please help me. What should I do? I'm getting frustrated at it. I really am. Please help me. Tell me what I need to do, okay? But on a happier note, happy Tuesday. Thanks.